Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. So if you're a business owner who wants to promote your business on WhatsApp, then you're on the correct video because I will show you how you can send bulk WhatsApp messages just like this that you can see on the screen and promote your business on WhatsApp itself. You can send bulk messages without getting your WhatsApp business number banned from Meta's end. If you don't believe me, then stay tuned till the end of this video and I will share you this entire setup that any person without any technical knowledge can also create. So let's dive into this setup. Now, to send bulk WhatsApp messages and manage your WhatsApp business number, you need a WhatsApp tool that will easily and efficiently manage the WhatsApp conversations in your business. And what is the best tool? Pabbly Chatflow. Now, Pabbly Chatflow is very easy to use, not just promoting your business, creating a 24/7 working AI bot, chatbots, and much more. You can do a lot of things with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So right now, go ahead, search for Pabbly Chatflow on a new tab by typing pabbly.com/chatflow. You will come to their landing page. Now, first, before doing anything, purchasing their plans, you want to actually test for free what is Pabbly Chatflow, what are the features and how all the thing works together. You can sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free credits. Using the credits, you can easily test out Pabbly Chatflow right away itself. So go ahead, test the plan, and then if you want to purchase their yearly or one-time plan to get Pabbly Chatflow's access to automate your WhatsApp conversations in your business, you can use my code on the left side of the screen, ANGYT, to get the highest discounts on top of the additional deals. You will get 6% discounts. That is the most highest that we can provide to you. So go ahead, use my code, purchase the plans, and automate your business workflows. The code will work for both yearly and one-time deals. Now, after logging in inside Pabbly Chatflow, you have to learn how you can create the setup of Pabbly Chatflow. For that, you have to go and check out all the video links I've added in the description section below, where we have taught you how you can easily create the setup of Pabbly Chatflow, add your WhatsApp number, and learn about the features of other details of Pabbly Chatflow. So go and check out all the video links, okay? I have already created the setup. Now, after logging in, what is our use case? To send bulk WhatsApp messages, right? So how can we do that? For that, first inside Pabbly Chatflow, go to the template section. After coming to the template section, click on this add template button and create a new template from here. You have to first select the category of the template. Mine is marketing, as I want to promote my business. Then you have to name your template right over here, whatever you want. Select the language in which you're creating your template. Select the variable if you're adding one in your template. Now we have to enter the template type. Now for promotional WhatsApp messages, either you can select the template header as image, video, document, whatever you want. So I will select it as image right here according to my requirement. Next, you have to enter the body of the template that you are creating right over here. Whatever you want, hello, like whatever are your requirements. So this is the body that I wanted. You can see right here, you have to enter that exact message over here. If you want to enter a footer text according to your requirement, you can definitely do that, okay? Interactive actions, if you want to add buttons into this template, add the interactive action from here, submit this and create the template. Now, I have already created a coach message template. I am a business coach where I provided different courses to my business owners. Now, I have created this new course that I want to promote on WhatsApp to all the business owners so that they should know that there is this new course out. So if anyone wants to purchase the course, they can purchase through this message directly. Okay, so that is why I've created this amazing template right here. Okay, now I have entered this image header. I've entered this text, and after creating your template from here, first the template will go into the pending status. The pending status will be either approved or rejected from the Meta's end, and you will see the approved or rejected status over here. Okay, you can see this is approved from the Meta's end. So now let's use this template to send the messages to thousands of customers. Now, you have to create the contact list of your customer. Either you can send this promotional message to all the contacts that you've created inside Pabbly Chatflow, Or else you can send the specific message to one single list. So if you have any of the things, create the list from the contact section. Okay. Now to send the bulk WhatsApp messages, we have the section of broadcast inside Pabbly Chatflow. So now we are going to add a new broadcast from here. After adding, first you have to select the broadcast type. There are two options from which I will select broadcast campaign. Next, we have to add the broadcast name. So my name is Jessie Matthew. So I'll write over here as Jessie Matthew. And then I'm going to write over here digital marketing course. So I'm going to write this. Okay. So I've entered this broadcast message name. Next, it is asking for the audience, which I've told you. Either you can select all the contact lists that you've created, or else you can select the particular list according to your requirement. So this is my list that I have selected over here. Okay. After selecting the list, if you want to exclude, so let's suppose you've selected all the list. If you want to exclude a specific list, you can definitely do that by adding the excluded list over here. If you want to exclude a specific contact, you can definitely do that from this exclude specific contact section. Okay. After that, it is asking for me to select message type. I will select it as pre-approved template message because I have already created one. But if you don't want to create a template message, you can go to the regular message, select the image header type, add in the caption and create your template right now, okay, according to your requirement. I will select the approved template over here. This is the template. Now we need to add the image over here at this step itself. So this is the image. I'm going to add it and click on the stamp button. You will see the preview of the message that will be forwarded. So now as I am taking the risk of sending this particular message to thousands of customers, I have to check how it is looking on my phone or on my WhatsApp from my end. So can I actually do this? Can I test this broadcast first? For that, yes, we have this step. Okay, so my name is test user. So let's suppose my name is Jessie Matthew only. So I'm going to write over here Jessie Matthew and I will enter my phone number. Click on this send test message button. You will see the test broadcast is going to be forwarded and a new message you can see is been forwarded on my WhatsApp. This is the image that is there and this is the announcement message. So you can see the message looks perfect and the formatting is perfect. The text is perfect. It's going to look very nice on my customer's phone or computer on the WhatsApp. Okay. So I've tested it now. Now, okay, the testing is completed. After that, only two steps is left. One is schedule broadcast. So if I want, like let's suppose I am going to launch this new course, not today, on 20 August 2026, 20th of August 2026. So I can schedule this broadcast for later and send the message later. But if I am right now launching this course, so I can send this message instantly also. Okay. So I'm going to schedule this broadcast when I'm going to launch the course at 5 p.m. I will be sending the message. After selecting the details, now after that is automatic retry to fail contacts. So let's suppose I have a list of 100 contacts to whom I'm sending this message. Out of 100, 5 people didn't receive the message because there was some error and the message was failed to send. So if you want to retry to those failed contacts from this option by toggling this button on, you can do that. Okay, I don't want that, so I'm going to skip the part and simply add the broadcast from here. As soon as now I have added the broadcast, the Jessie Matthew Digital Marketing Course broadcast has been scheduled for 20th of August 2026 at 5 p.m. and this is the message that is going to be forwarded. If you want to view the stats after the message has been forwarded successfully, you can do this from this section directly. Okay, so now towards thousands of contacts in bulk, this WhatsApp promotional message that you can see on the screen is going to be forwarded. So now if you have any questions or doubts related to the setup that we have created just now, you need to comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.